Hello friends! In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily transfer data from one iPhone to another using the Quick Start feature. This is the most convenient way to move all your data, settings, apps, and even passwords to a new iPhone without any problems. If you just bought a new iPhone and want to keep everything from your old device, this video is for you. Even if you are transferring to an older iPhone, Quick Start will also help. So, let's go. Before we start, I would really appreciate it if you support me with a like and click the bell so you don't miss new Apple tips. 1. All you need is 2 iPhones and a stable Wi-Fi connection. 2. Preparing for the transfer. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both devices. Fully charge your iPhones. 3. How to transfer data with Quick Start. Step 1. Turn on your new iPhone and place it near the old one. A setup screen will appear. Step 2. Tap Continue on the old iPhone. An animation appears on the new device. Step 3. Scan the animation with your old iPhone's camera. Step 4. Enter your old iPhone's passcode on the new device. Step 5. Choose Transfer directly from iPhone. Your iPhone will simply ask for your Apple ID password, so just enter it. What will be transferred? Quick Start moves almost everything. Contacts, messages, photos and videos, apps, settings, Wi-Fi passwords. For security reasons, Apple Pay cards and some apps like banking or email may require you to log in again. How long does it take? It depends on how much data you have. Usually from a few minutes to an hour. Large photo and video libraries may take longer. Keep both iPhones close until the transfer is complete. Set up Face ID or Touch ID or skip for later. Tap Continue. And that's it. Now you know how to easily transfer everything from one iPhone to another using Quick Start. This method is simple, automatic, and requires no extra effort. After the transfer is done, you can reinstall your SIM card into the new iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, good luck, and see you in the next video.